Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Walan Khan and today I want to show my new project which is also related to expense tracker and expense tracker, how my project work and how many libraries are connected in this project. And the main purpose of this video, I want to show how to connect different Python libraries and some other sources connect in one place to create end-to-end project. So let's get started. Welcome back. Now let's move to the practical part and see how our project actually work. As you can see, this is our expense tracker dashboard, and on the dashboard we can see some important information such as tracker, total expense, expense average, category, and expense. And we also have an expense record section where all expense are displayed in the form of table, and you can see fourth one is also sorry third one is also have graphically we can understand easily, and now we have only one recorded, so that's why our graphically is not showing properly. And now let's see how can we add new expense to our system. And from the sidebar we have two buttons, and number one is dashboard, number two is add expense. And if we click here, so you can see number one is we can enter the item section, category section, and add description and total amount. And if we click in once like here, so if our record will be saved into our dashboard, sorry, database, and dashboard will automatically update. So let's get started. And number one is I buy fruit fruits, and it is also category of food. And number description is also I buy 1 kg of mango, and 200 is amount. And if I add expense, and my record will be successful. And you can see our notification. And now I want to go a dashboard and I will explain everything. Third one is fruit food, and as you can see our new record add successfully. And the total expense, and category, and description, and this is the amount. And here we can see complete expense record. You can all see. And total expense updated, average expense updated, category is also updated, and expense is also updated. There are three expenses, and you can see. And now we can go to the graphic is also blank. And if we add new expense, like I want to new category, petrol is also transport, not food, transport. And description is also 1 liter for bike, and price is also 350, sorry, 350. And if we click here add button, and you can see this is our total. And now finally the chart gives us a visual representation of our expenses, so by category, which make it easier to understand where most of our money is being spent. So you can see transport is separate, food is also separate. And if we add other category, like which one is shopping, like cloth, and not food, category is also different, shopping. And if we talk I buy t t-shirt, and how much, 1000. If we I add click here, and then we see our table, like expense record, and you can see table successfully updated. And now shopping category is also included, and now you can see shopping category, transport, and food. So now move to the coding side, and which how I connect different libraries in one place. And you can see, so this is my project code. And like, so if you want to explore the complete code, source code of this project, and I have shared the GitHub repositories link in the description. So that's it for today.